This is my growing microgreens in a fridge experiment. And in a fridge means in about 40 degrees, because I originally planted these January 6th, 2018 on a north side enclosed glass porch that behind that chair over there is a heater. The heater is set to 40 degrees to keep the porch over freezing from 32. So 40 degrees is the same temperature as a refrigerator. What I found is that from the 6th, they germinated about on the 13th at 40 degrees. Okay. And of course, these are broccoli, sunflower, peas, buckwheat. What I found is that the sunflower and the buckwheat, only the most cold hardy seeds did anything at all, but they did do something. Now both the broccoli and the peas have been completely harvested once, and then on the far side completely harvested twice, and I didn't harvest this side twice yet or this side twice yet. I don't know if these are just seeds that were germinating as stragglers or if they actually grew back, but I do know that when you prune pea shoots all the way back, the original pea puts up another shoot. So what I found was that both peas and broccoli will grow in refrigerator at around 40 degrees. On a side note, the sunflowers got these little tiny white, almost like little mite looking things, and they seem to grow into almost like tiny little flies, almost like gnats.